Say yes to the address. Helen's team is proud to present this freehold opportunity just steps from Westmount Golf Course, all the multi-million-dollar homes of Westmount, and we're right in the school district for Westmount Public School. This house offers a goldmine of potential awaiting your designs and dreams. It is currently set up with a large living space on the main floor that includes a powder room and a main floor bedroom. I visualize a 6-foot island with an open floor plan. Upstairs offers another 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a ton of storage. The walkout basement has room for 2 more bedrooms, a 3rd bathroom, and a kitchen if you desire. And imagine this beautiful deck surrounded by patio lights in barbecue season. This backyard is spectacular. You will appreciate major updates like the roof, windows, and furnace. Located on bus routes, walking distance to groceries, and only a short distance from University of Waterloo, this is the spot to land in 2025. So if you have a lot of vision and a professional designer lined up, call Helen's team today because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.